this panel, you want to use a trim tool. There's some push pins holding this on, or push clips. Just get underneath the panel. Just want to pull kind of forcefully. There's the clips on the back side. Now you're going to remove this panel. There's a clip over here. Just pop that out. And then it's clipped in over here as well. I'm going to pull that towards the center of the vehicle. That's where the clips are. Sometimes the clips stay in there, so you just got to pull those out. And I'm just going to take these clips out. I'm just using some needle nose pliers. Just got to get in there, push down on the tabs. Take those out. It's just going to go right there. You can do the same with the other one. Should just push on there. That goes back on. That's good. I'll pull this one out. There we go. And those are back on for when you have to go install it. Now I can do the same with this panel. Take this one out. Those clips stayed in as well. Pull those out. Now we're going to take this cover off. Just use a trim tool, and you can get underneath on the back side. Just try to pop this cover off. Might be helpful to use a couple trim tools. And just pop it. It's just clipped in, just like that. There's the clips right there. Now there's 2 screws in there. You want to use a T15 socket. Take those screws out. Take those out. And now we're going to pull this off. It's just clipped in, so you just want to pull down somewhat forcefully. Be careful over here, you're going to have to disconnect the connector there. And disconnect that connector right there. Just push on the tab and just slide it out. Just like that. There's a cover right here. You just want to take a trim tool, just get behind here. It does have some sticky double-sided tape on there. Just pry that off. We're going to disconnect the connector right here. Just push down on the tab, slide that off. Now we're going to remove these 3 nuts. There's one there, and one down here. Just use a 10mm socket. slide the light right in, just like it came out. Just push it, it should lock in place. Now put the nuts on. And just snug them down. Now you want to take this piece, you can take some double-sided tape and re-adhere this, or you can try sticking it back up and just see if it sticks. And this one is sticking really well, so that's going to be fine right there. And connect the connector, lock it in place. Now take this panel and we want to connect that connector. Lock that in place and then line it up. With it all lined up, you can push it back on. Let's see. There we go. All right, that's all lined up. And put these screws back in. Snug that down. Take this cover, make sure you line it up. And lock it in place. Now put these panels on. Line up the clips. Lock it in. Do the same on the other side. And this centerpiece. All lined up.